Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this used Volkswagen Transporter T32 Shuttle. This vehicle has been converted into a camper/day van. This example comes with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 102 PS. The van also comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. This example is finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey, and across the front of the vehicle it features a lovely black bumper complete with front parking sensors. The van sits on the stylish 18-inch DRC alloy wheels finished in a gunmetal grey, and towards the rear of the van there is a tailgate fitted with a window. The vehicle benefits from having a rear view camera system. This paired with the rear parking sensors helps you when parking and manoeuvring. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the vehicle, because of the day van conversion there is a double bed with a storage system, as well as some comfortable cushioned seats on either side. Access into the rear seating area can be found on either side of the vehicle thanks to the twin sliding doors. There's a slide out drawer on the rear as well as some storage compartments under the right side. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit area there are two singular seats, both with two armrests apiece, and also finished in the mesh leatherette, giving it a nice and luxurious feel. In the centre of the dash there is a 6.3-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system complete with App Connect. The van has two additional USB Type A slots as well as an SD card slot. The driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel as well as access to a cruise control function.
For any further information on this vehicle, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.